Hi guys. Hi.
Okay, y'all. So we didn't have much to work with. Can I have your glue?
Yes.
We didn't have much to work with, so we just using what we got until the stuff we ordered and all that other stuff comes in. And in the meantime, we also kind of rushing because we gotta get these girls gotta go to school in the morning. So they really want to do it, so I'm doing this for them, and then yeah, let's just get started, okay? All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. For starters, they're going to start off by putting the patches on their socks first. Tell me why they started putting the patch on the bottom of the sock, the part that goes inside the shoe. It's okay. Trial and error. Look at my girl trying to blow the glue dry on her socks. Once they were done applying the patches to their socks, we decided to put the pearls and letters onto the safety pins and then apply those to the socks next. They've decided to glue the letters directly onto the socks. Next, they are going to apply whatever loose pearls and rhinestones to their socks to complete the look. Hey y'all, so the girls really enjoy making the jump socks. They did very well with what little we had. I know I got items that I used to make Crocs, but I did not want to use a lot of them for the jump socks. So they did good with what little that they did have. I did order more items for jump socks, so next time they make the next pair, they'll have more options. In the meantime, if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please feel free to hit that bell so you'll be notified when your girl posts more content, and subscribe and become a member of the Glam Squad. All right, I'm going to bed. I'm tired. You guys have a blessed night, and don't forget to be a blessing. All right, see y'all soon.